Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining KB Boat and Yacht Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your full face mask. This mask here is when you're doing, if you're sanding a bottom or you're painting in a paint booth with a full enclosure. This mask will protect your eyes and from fumes. So let's get started by setting it up. All right, got it open. So what's got inside here? Ooh, we got the cartridge. This is a charcoal filter. Let's open it up. Oh, we could hear that coming out. The air that is well sealed. Ooh. It's already come assembled. Let's open it up and see. Oh, I don't think you can open it. Uh-oh, but it's all good. Okay, let's see what a mask look like. They also give you an extra pair of filter. This one is for dust. This one is for painting, and one is for dust. They also give you some earplugs. And here it is, guys. This is a full face mask. It comes with a nose cone already, and with the gaskets are assembled. I guess around there. This is already not a gasket here. This is not a 3M mask. This is an off-brand mask here. It's already came with a face shield. It's always good to get a face shield because a face shield will protect you from getting your full face mask scratched up. So let's assemble it. Let's see. Sometimes give you a hard time to assemble, so it's something I'll start from the bottom up. Yeah. Up. You gotta make sure when you put it on is locked. You feel that snap like it's locked. There it is. And that's how you assemble your full face mask. And you're ready to go. It's always good to have two different masks. This is when you're doing enclosure and you need to protect your eyes. This is when you're trying just do a quick stuff and you're doing not in an enclosure. Okay, so guys, thank you for joining KB Boat and Yacht Repair. Stay tuned for more videos and have a great day, guys. Happy Super Bowl.